provided that you've set up the fight to the corner na hindi nangyari ng chamba, you did the smart thing, which is using your boxing. You played the footwork, you played the cha-cha of suntukan, na corner mo na sight mo na yung corner. What you need to do now is to drive your partner towards the corner. Okay? So from this position, I go either side, and then commit to the hips, and drive. Notice a while ago, when I went for the takedown, naka-squat ako. This time around, naka-lean forward ako. Hindi ako mag-aalala na mahuhulog ako dahil nasa corner naman. And if I do try to squat, ito nangyayari. Kung tenga ako nakadikit, lumalayo, which gives him space where he can push away. Right, yun ha. Put him in the corner, make sure he stays on the corner. Lean forward, ang nangyayari, ang base mo ngayon, itong dalawang pako at itong dalawang corner na ring. Okay? From this position, same principle din. Pag same stances kayo, double leg. Okay? So ilang pa double leg? Dalawa, di ba? So you have two legs. Kung alam mo, huwag ka na mag-squat forward. Kunin mo na yung leaning and lunging mo. You simply pull the leg and make sure that you bow downwards. Look at this. Hindi ko siya binibigyan ng space ha. That is the double leg sa corner. Why do you need this? Because if you want to finish the fight, pwede kang humabol ng arm out. You put him on the corner. You want to make sure that he stays on the corner. In the eyes of the judges and the referee, you are dominating. You are dominating. Tayo. So, gagawin natin ha. 1 meter away from the corner. 1 meter yan. Set up yourself. Shoot. Okay? Commit to a double leg. Time out. Okay? Yun. Ano next natin gagawin? I-advance ko na agad to. In any case na madepensa kayo ng partner, yung cross face, huwag ka ng cross face. Shoot ako masyadong mabagal. Na-cross face ako, Sir Mark, hindi na ako makakommit ng front takedown. Naalala niyo yung double leg and single leg, di ba? Pag double leg, same stance. Pag single leg, different stance. Perpendicular. I will no longer go parallel. I'm gonna go perpendicular. Ears to the belly. From this position, I base ka. I get one leg. Simply trap this here. I'm gonna put my weight on his knee. Again, bow down. Malalaglag talaga kayo. Yan, tinatagig. Malalaglag talaga ako. And he will fall. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, here's what we're gonna do. Tinagalog ko lang. One partner, attempt double leg, finish. Same partner, attempt single leg dahil dinibesahan, running the pipe, finish. Ulit. One partner, commit. Para mamaya, pag nag-shoot boxing tayo, may pambala kayo. Ayun yung nakakapagod. Kung alam nakakapagod yung striking, mas nakakapagod yung shoot boxing. Diba? Okay, sige, same partners. Pang-assess yung mga ginagawa nyo. One partner.